Hello, this is Joan of Art, and that's my friend there, Monique. Hi, Monique. Hello. We're creating this vlog because right now we're here at Ayala Mall in Talisay City. It's my first time to drive out from Bacolod to Talisay, so I can buy some groceries for my folks who are senior citizens. So before entering the metro, which is right over there, so as you can see, most of the people are lining up because the ins and outs are being monitored, controlled. So it's not a democracy anymore. It's neither a communism, but it's a very orderly line, and we are 1 meter apart at least. And there are also chairs provided so that if we get tired, we can just sit down and have a break. So that's what it is. That's what's happening here in Talisay City. Very organized, and I heard even in the marketplace, it's the same system. Um, so there's no pushing, there's no crowding about, no panic buying at all. There's no limit also. So it's just that social distancing is imposed and followed also. So it's very orderly here in Talisay, like in our place in Bacolod. So I don't know. It's very orderly. It's so surreal. It feels like a dream, you know. It feels like you're in a horror movie. And the somber feel, it feels so somber. Not very festive, not very joyous. There's some sense of order. So maybe this is the new world order. I call it putting order in a world of chaos. So what do you think, Monique? What can you say about this new system?
No, I'm already used to this because last 3 days ago I was here, and it's the same system like this. I think this is more relaxed compared to when you go to the other markets, and then everybody's like not observing social distancing, and then you try to distance from them, but you can't do it because
Okay.
it's too crowded. Here, it's quite different.
Right. So yeah, I agree. It's a lot better to shop here, I guess. Than the other metro.
Yeah.
So same store but different cities. So it depends on the LGU imposing certain rules.
I think we are more disciplined.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Yes. And I don't sense the panic.
No.
I don't sense the panic unlike in Bacolod. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you can really feel the panicking.
And then if you could observe that they have chairs.
Yes, yes, yes. There are chairs so that if you get tired, of course, you have to sit down. Right. And senior citizens are not allowed to go out anymore.
Yeah.
Right. So, okay, this is Joan of Arc and Monique here, my guest for this vlog.
Thank you.
Okay, see you in our next video. Bye for now. The liter is now at 38.10. A great leap from what it used to be at around 48.